Every time they try to hold I down, I still come back stronger. Yo, this is Ja Eyes, and right now I'm vibing up the place with Brite Lite Promotions. Easy man like Madden, C-Rock. Yo people, make sure you stay tuned right here.
Come again. Well, man, the thing can them bust out style from 1949. It's a 95 style, played by Earth Ruler alone. Selassie sound, hey, and Zion bound. Earth Ruler sound, Zion bound. Listen. Jah is our light and our salvation. Lord, no sound, Earth Ruler fair, no sound. Now when them think one sound, they think they would come and shoot us down. Earth Ruler chase them out of town, Lord. Earth Ruler sound, Rastaman sound, Selassie we want to leave out of Babylon. Repatriation. We've got to reach Mount Zion. Cause no more will we roam. Oh Lord, we're coming home. We want to leave out of Babylon.
Boy, said, Earth Ruler with the Roddy Diamond. Only one plan. To leave the children them out of Babylon. They have the always to receive and never to give. Always carrying you all over the place. Ways to justify you are in this place. Touching our hands, we make some out of fire. There is a touchdown from outside. We know what you're doing, but we know we're in.
Well, tell me if you ever walk the streets of the ghettos there before we sing. Who is unsafe from secure? Lifestyle of my people, you fail to recognize. Do you know what it takes to get to people? Them some white plan to say you never walk on the mill at all. Else you would have sight all the night is you to call. Wonder what it takes for you to recognize. You lots of tell them, hey, Flatbush said, with that.
Let's be the sound like Earth Ruler. Earth Ruler, one day.
Brite Lite Promotions, Earth Ruler, the King Sound. First time on camera with Brite Lite Promotions. Introduce yourself, fellas. We got some, all right, before we get into the introductions, we got a lot of new members. So let's start off with the older members and move forward. Introduce yourself, fellas.
Well, there's only one old member here saying or something. Panther, Earth Ruler. That me say. Big up Scorpion. Big up Lee Major. From them time till now. Big up Bertie Kilquick. Jacko. Same. Culture C. Snake. That me say. Oh, Major Miguel, my boss. Big up yourself, my boss.
Jug, Earth Ruler. Fireblaze, Earth Ruler.
Kochi, Earth Ruler.
You know my face already, Genesis, Earth Ruler, banner we are fly. Aye.
Yeah, you don't see Ganja Youth. You know the first name already. One name there, see? You know, that one a bad sound, so it's a Ganja Youth, is it?
Yo, why the man attack like saying high and shit? Mayo, wake up!
Where my drink?
Wake up!
All right. Let's start off with some of the newer members. Marijuana Genesis. It was well documented that You guys was playing on Soul Supreme Sound. You're now on Earth Ruler Sound. If you don't mind putting it out there for the public, know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna ask you exactly what happened, know what I'm saying, but the choice of moving from Soul Supreme to Earth Ruler, how did that come about? And if you want to let the people know, let them know right now.
John was just introduce myself. Interview start same time. I was thinking I would leave that part of it like. But anyway, since you asked me I something one time to you. Which part you want first?
All right, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna come back to that one later on. All right, let's go. Let's get into Earth Ruler business now.
Yeah.
Jug, Kutchi, Fire.
Yeah.
You guys came from Megadeth. You're on Earth Ruler now. What is your plans as selectors moving forward? Being on a big sound as Earth Ruler, sound that I knew you guys grew up listening to. So, what are you trying to bring to the table for Earth Ruler now?
Well, really and truly, it's about adding to Earth Ruler legacy. The song have them name, and we just want to add to it. We're not trying to take from it. We're not trying to say we're, bigger or better than anybody. It's all about family thing. So from them time there till now, it's about growth. We want to add new members for growth. That's all we there for, growth.
All right, and Jug, Fire, you guys, I know you guys used to play Megadeth. Jug, are you an MC selector? What do you do? What's your role on the sound now?
Well, I actually do everything except for MC. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm at right now.
And Fire?
I'm an MC/selector, you know?
All right, we going to have to get this interview moving because I guess you guys, know what I'm saying, first time, Brite Lite's on. We going to get it moving though.
Yo, let's tell the man them say, yo, the man them move like them shy, man. Oh, buckler, wake up.
Word, what's up?
King
All right.
son, man, wake up. Man, the name is from you wrong here. Yo, you're not saying, no. I don't want nobody can put on the internet and say, yo, you know, say them Earth Ruler, man, them lame, man, them. No, on a wake up.
Yo, see nobody else asleep, brother.
No, I see you just a wake up.
All right, July 18th.
Is that different?
Yeah.
July 18th.
Sorry,
Super Fresh, Kilimanjaro, Earth Ruler in Albany Manor.
Yes, sir.
It's billed as a hardcore juggling.
Yes, sir.
First off,
Yes, sir.
let the people know why it's a juggling and it's not a clash. With three hardcore sounds on the bill, you would more expect a clash.
Trying to build back a little bit of the old essence because back in the day you used to have dances, and then later on, like somewhere later on in the end of the night, there are girls in the early part who play music for the people them, and then like similar to like back in the days, anything could happen. You got big sounds, people spend money on their dubs, somebody gonna throw words. Somebody might defend themselves. Anything can happen.
Somebody can dead.
Just trying to bring back them kind of vibes.
And did anything go into the process of choosing Kilimanjaro and Super Fresh as the sounds? Because it is an Earth Ruler promotion. So you guys chose the sound. Did anything go into the process of choosing the two sounds?
Well, we sit down as a team and we discuss it and say, who basically, we choose Super Fresh because Fresh is a sound where man, they might do them thing at Canada. You understand? And from here, some I stated, any sound where we work with, we clash or we juggle alongside is a sound where we rate, You understand? Because from what I say, a whole heap of little word are true on the internet with some little men where them sound a 20-year-old and them name not even a mention. But them feel like Ruler the sound where them in a league with. Little boy, stay in your lane, man.
Okay.
Yo, who you talking about, man? Mom?
We will. No, listen. We gonna get into the internet chatter and the New York scene in a minute, but let's focus on July 18th.
Yeah.
July 18th, Juggling Hardcore Edition once again. Gyro, Super Fresh. You have a history with Kilimanjaro.
Right.
Have you guys played alongside Super Fresh before?
No.
First time playing.
Okay, so that's something the fans got something to look forward to. Now, that dance is once again a Earth Ruler promotion. So moving into that realm of promoting your own dances, you coming back on the
more coming up too.
you coming back on the road now. Can we look forward to Earth Ruler actually booking another New York Sound one-on-one for a clash?
No, that is a definite thing.
Definitely.
That is a definite thing. I think what happened now is the sound owner, operator, selector, who's ever run the sound, they have to take back the destiny of the sound in their hands, you know. And the destiny of the sound is not allowing a promoter to tell you what you worth, you know. See?
So,
Because if we can take up 10 or 12 grand and spend on songs.
Stop waiting on them promoters.
Simple. We can spend 12 grand or 20 grand on songs. Why not keep at that?
but basically my take to that still. Right now, as I say, it's evident that none of them big sound and not really get bookings unless of them put on the dance. I mean, you might find one or two get a booking, but if you really be very active, and like every other 3 months or so forth, you know, having major clashes or major dance, it's wise and it makes sense to really put on your own dance. And right now, that's one of Ruler's major plan right now from here on. So, you know, you might see a clash or two before the year end.
Okay, with that being said, traditionally, Earth Ruler is one of the big three in New York.
Big tree.
We don't even have to mention names. We don't even have to mention names. But we know who I'm referring to as the big three sounds in Brooklyn. Okay, now in 2015, I think that's a little bit different. We got Soul Supreme, we got King Addies, we got Young Hawk. I would say it's the most 3 active sounds now on the road in New
At the
York.
moment, yeah. Cause no denying it, you know. And this is just what I've seen, what I've observed now. Sometimes a sound have to come off a road to realign, you know. And put itself back in focus.
Okay, with that being said, that's what Earth Ruler apparently did.
Yes.
You guys coming back with a new team.
Yes.
Now you're looking at the New York scene now. Those 3 sounds I just mentioned. 2 of the selectors formerly played Soul Supreme.
Right.
How would you feel about Earth Ruler matching up against Soul Supreme before the year's done?
You know, honestly speaking, I wouldn't feel no way, you know.
Would you feel like you have an advantage knowing that you know Soul Supreme box?
Alright, here well, you first answer the first question first. You know, as him say, I'm gonna feel no way. Well, definitely, you know, say it's a whole business. When we used to depend on Soul Supreme, any song name will get picked, we have to defend it. You understand? To the fullest and with the liar to the game one to the fullest same way. So right now, any song name get picked, if it's even Soul Supreme, but we have to do what we have to do because, you know, we're not going the other way. You see? Second question, where is it again?
The second part to that question
Yeah.
was being that you played Soul Supreme before. Do you feel like you would have an advantage knowing Soul Supreme's box to an extent?
Alright, let me show you a smart thing, you know. Big up everybody around a Supreme. See? You see that brother named Jonah P. Jonah P. Don't take him simple. See? The same way I and marijuana would have know the tune them in a Supreme box. Jonah P. Remember everything about her through the box. So we might be dangerous, but that brother there, dangerous as well.
Smart man.
Yeah, but as to answer the question from my view still, most definitely would have an advantage because when me really check on me do my research and my study, when I like when I see that certain vehicle. Two-sided man, talk more and talk to you. You know. Alright. Then I say, see? Like how when I do my research and I check, I listen back some of the tapes then, Ruler tapes, Supremo tapes.
Next one? Yeah, man.
And now that I know two sound box, there's a whole heap of similarity with some of the tune them. And I must say this to also too. I'm gonna take the time out and I'm not gonna be shy about it. The whole heap of Ruler one of the real blueprint sound instead.
Original Big Three.
Yeah, real blueprint sound.
Real blueprint.
And I know if a fact say playing a Soul Supreme at any given day can be an easy thing. For either part, but especially for them part. The fact that I know most of them songs. And I want different levels of loading them on the side.
Yeah.
Alright, I got a question I want to direct to Panther. Panther, do you feel as the hype that Soul Supreme has now versus the history of Earth Ruler sound, do you feel Soul Supreme has to go through Earth Ruler before they could claim they're the #1 sound in New York?
Boy, good question, man. Yo, I would never take anything away from what Soul Supreme did or doing right now.
They doing good right.
Them are going with them team. Cause you see with this sound team, brother, it's all a circle. You know what I mean? Everybody have for them time.
Everybody, yeah.
Right.
Everybody gonna have for them. At least had for them time. LP had for them time. We had for our time. Supreme now. Yeah, for them time now.
Right.
You understand? But I wouldn't say that because and big up Supreme because back in the days I never really paid attention too much to them. Not because of no disrespect, but I just felt the way they came after. You know, the after us and you know what I mean?
The
And
big
they
three.
try to fall into the place, their place of playing music. I just felt like, yo, they was just following pattern. But about some same way because a lot of music when I like, I listen to them on them. You understand?
I've been following Soul Supreme for a long time.
You know what I mean? So,
Just
but to answer your question, no, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that because Supreme, you know, you mentioned,
remember you said you wasn't
hold
following.
on, you mentioned 3 giants,
Just start doing something.
and you can't take Supreme out of it. You can't take them out of it. You know, if we could do that, I disrespect to them and them history. Because them do that, although they wasn't winning no clashes,
Okay, I'm good now.
although they wasn't winning no clashes, but at the end of the day, they came after and they did what they had to do. You understand?
They left the mark
They
in
left
New
the
York.
mark.
Yes.
But
Yes.
Yeah. they
what
did.
what I separated was the known 3 sounds from Brooklyn. Soul Supreme was a known sound in Brooklyn. I'm not
Right,
taking away
right,
from
right.
that.
But that's what I'm saying. You can't separate them from us because
Okay, so then the big 4.
the big 4.
Okay.
You have to say the big
Okay,
4.
so
But to answer your question, honestly, no, Supreme do them thing, man. You know, them are going, but this is not about Supreme, man. It's not about Supreme. Supreme, big up yourself. Everybody who will play Soul
But
Supreme
them
do your
can't
thing.
get seen
Yo.
blood clot.
Hear me
Weird.
say no. Them don't want answer it, but me answer it. If they want, if the clash is called and and them want to take the date, we're gonna take the date.
Okay,
You know
now,
what I'm saying?
no. The
This
reason why, the
Oh, you
reason
mean
why
when
I brought up
I
that,
go sunset?
the reason why,
You're right. You did that.
the reason why I brought that up is because once again, we have Earth Ruler promotion. You're doing your own promotion, so you can make the call yourself.
Right. Just like
So, Soul Supreme is one of the hot sounds right now. That's a possibility.
Yeah.
Now, I heard some grumbling in the background a little while ago, so we're gonna talk about it.
Grumbling, yeah, go off for money.
Is Earth Ruler too big to clash certain sounds, or can a small sound call Earth Ruler for a date, and you're gonna take that date and play that sound one on
No,
one?
really, alright. I mean, I gotta tell you the truth. And this is the only way I know how to speak this, you know. You see, when the smaller sound or the younger sound, when you call to a big sound, just make sure your money right. Don't say no, we are smaller sound and our thing not really firm up that way there. No, if you call with, make sure you can pay with. Simple and plain. So don't size up with we and then come and say, boy, Ruler still, you know, this me I work with. No, but this is me, this is what I want.
So Earth Ruler is a sound that has one booking price.
No, not
regardless
saying
of
one
who-
booking price. But there's a standard in it.
Okay.
And if you don't set your bar, you know, and try to exceed that bar, I can't help you, Papa.
Okay.
If a song, we don't send no win, no clash dog, why should we take a date with them?
I know that why.
You know what I mean?
Alright, yeah.
Okay.
So back in the days, songs like Earth Ruler, them get the Clash IDs, them get the Clash LP. Our name was popping in the streets.
But not only that.
Not on Facebook,
Not only that.
MySpace,
Not
but
only
none of them something there.
The truth of the matter is
The
this.
streets.
Truth of the matter is this. I'm going to talk to the elder, them round of the soul.
Yes, sir.
See, when Addis and Earth Ruler clash, Earth Ruler Addis call a price, and that price was meant. Simple and plain.
Wow.
If you want to climb the ladder, climb the right way. Stop looking for a shortcut or an easy way.
You can't
Okay.
go up on Facebook.
So let's talk about Earth Ruler
Facebook,
business now. Apart from that, you have a weekly juggling on Irish and Chin. I believe it's Thursday.
Loaded
Thursday.
Thursday.
Loaded
8 to 10,
Thursday.
yeah?
Loaded.
What's the time slot?
8
to 10
p.m.
All right, so 8 to 10 Thursday night. You can catch Earth Ruler on Irish and Chin Radio. What else is going on for the sound apart from that right now that people can look forward to? Even if it's going on a SoundCloud page, give people information that they can find something on Earth Ruler.
Well, hear me say no. I'm gonna tell you what we're doing right now, because big up Scorpion in North Carolina. The sound loud out there.
Sure.
You understand? Loud out there. Nobody can talk to my boy out there. Me not take back the talk. Him not tell the man them that, but me I say, him are the boss out there. You understand? So Ruler play out.
Scorpion.
Regular.
Scorpion, big up in
Sting them.
Sting them.
Big up.
Yes.
Sting them.
Oh,
You understand?
more than
Sting
7
them.
up there, see?
You understand? Big up the boat ride coming up on the 19th also,
19th.
the day after our dance.
19.
You understand? So we have our thing. I do. You know what I'm saying? We have a couple things on SoundCloud also.
Well, right
But, you know,
now, I know the
Facebook original King Sound right through right now.
well, you know the story, you know. 'Cause how the thing set is like, you know, I make up nothing like that, you know.
Exactly.
I say it go, 'cause enough man, I make up date, and I make up like them sound I play every week all about the place. And I make up them something there. You see, after the 18th, as we said, major dances or clashes, you will see them on the billboard and go read the notice board. Feel me I say? But otherwise some that all of the boys ever play everywhere. But play yes around, so ups and down, so. And if you look on certain little flyers, you might see Ruler. Just like little dates them with every other sound I get. See me I say?
Get them too.
But the major dates them, you won't see them. As me say,
True no post in Sound Clash Fraternity. don't think ruler nah do nothing.
No,
We're active. No, I'm not saying you.
No, I'm saying, when I say fire, it's like, we are labeled as a clash sound.
Right.
We're saying so major dances are going to be seen as major hardcore juggling or clash.
Right.
So, if you see me on a little normal fire or so on, it's like, you know, regard that as nothing major. Which, for all the big sounds, if you're not seeing them on a major dance, you don't think you're so supreme active now, you see young art active now because them clash the most in the last couple of months.
Word.
Right? Well, that's about King Addies. King Addies active too. But outside of clashing, how much look a juggling dance go on? A lot. So, you know, so active is really seen as major dances. So from the 18 beyond, we'll see what go on. And that's the rule I think there right now. The general there now, Uncle Dre there, so you know the thing. From this side. Okay. So I'm bag of things, man. Believe me, I crocus back too.
Okay, Scorpion. I'm out. Panther. Sorry. Before we leave off, there's a lot of new additions to the sound. What did you see in Genesis, Marijuana, Kutchie, Jug and the Crew? What did you see in them that said they're ready to play Earth Ruler?
Well, Jug, Kutchie and Blaze. The man them are some people who used to link us on the Facebook and the man them always used to preach Earth Ruler. Even when we and Pono used to go back and forth with it and Ray, the man them used to defend it and do a little investigation and rare, see what they might do. And make one phone call and Ray and the man them say, yeah, they love the sound, why not? You know what I'm saying? So that's a good addition to the thing. You know what I mean? Fast forward a couple of years, a year and a half later, 2 years later, I was just, it was a day off from work and just a vibe and I think I just watched the Soul Supreme interview with Marijuana and Genesis. And I said, yo, we might just run across Marijuana and Genesis, I said. Because with me, I'm always looking to expand the brand. You understand? Because I not play this for the rest of my life, you know. You understand? We need to make sure when it is that I decide to take a step back, it's in capable hands.
Like all state.
You understand? So what I said, yo, Uncle Dre,
man.
business, how you mean? What do you think about that? So, like I said, I made the phone call. I called my brethren and asked him what he think about it. He said, yo, Marijuana, good youth, man. And before that, I want to say big up yourself, Marijuana, because it impressed me at the work clash. When I go around the thing, it impressed me at the work clash. Also the LP dance too.
Don't forget what made it easier too, like Jen, Kutchie and myself, we done played sound for a long time.
Well,
you guys play
before I get to that, because
it ain't no
what I ended up doing, I linked my brethren and I say, yo, what you think? Him say, yo, Ray. The man they are good youth, So I say, alright, make the phone call. So I call Jug and I say, Jug, yo, what you feel about Ray? Jug say, yo, say me I think about the same thing. I said, okay. I said, yeah, what? Link my brethren and my brethren say I link Ray. He say, yo, say me know Genesis, Ray. I say, alright, so link Jen and may I make sure my brethren link Marijuana and ask Marijuana and Ray. And that's how it made. That's how it was made. We had a meeting, we sit down, we say, yo, that's how, you know what I mean? It's gonna happen. And the man fall in on the thing and the man them say, yo, them see the song them and they say, yo, alright.
Bad song.
Alright.
Bad song.
So But
you're
when
looking
me,
at people that know each other outside of the sound. You know
but
what
this
I
is
mean?
before me didn't know that, you know, the man them did link.
It's not like we just met Genesis
You know
or
what I
see
mean?
them playing So Supreme. Genesis is a person that I grew up with. You know.
Crown Street days.
I
Okay,
actually, that's how me and Kutchy met. You know?
Okay, so the way I'm looking at it now, Earth Ruler is almost broken down into factions, but I'm gonna ask a question now. Can we form like Voltron?
You want to entertain
Can Genesis play alongside Jug and vice versa? Is that what we can expect?
Listen.
That's easy.
When me found this team, you know,
It's a vulture.
when me found this team and I said, what ask Genesis, when me to talk to him, you know, I said, I told her, I said, I don't want it to be Marijuana and Genesis alone. I don't want it to be Jug and Kutchy alone. You understand? I want everybody to interact, interconnect with each other. Because you don't know me and Scorpion vibe already.
Right.
You understand? Scorpion is a youth where him can juggle with anybody, although he's not here. But I want to make sure when, you know, if we can go somewhere, we can step up with Marijuana, we can step up with Blaze, we can, you know understand? I'm not trying to, it's a perfect example. You say Bobby Condas and Jabba. You ever see Bobby Condas and Jabba? You understand? You see Bobby and my boy there. You understand? Jabba and Ray.
Yeah.
So that's how it is that I'm thinking. I don't want to just rule it to be just one set, one fashion.
So July 18th, if a sound, it could come from anywhere.
Listen,
It could come
July
from anywhere.
18th, everybody play. Everybody play.
It could come from anywhere.
Anywhere.
All right, yeah.
Yo,
Anywhere.
I like that.
Anywhere.
Everybody out.
Surprise.
You understand? Everybody.
Alright, so now once again, Earth Ruler Business, what's the SoundCloud information, what's the Facebook information that people could contact Earth Ruler?
Yeah.
Original King Sound, Earth Ruler, Facebook. Can link it there, so if you have any questions or comments like bookings and things like that, you can go to earthrulerbooking@gmail.
Original King Sound, Earth Ruler SoundCloud. You want to hear the music?
Original King
Alright.
Sound,
We
Earth Ruler
also have stuff from SoundChat on our Earth Ruler, SoundCloud. So check that out.
What's the SoundCloud page?
Original King Sound, Earth Ruler.
Okay. Alright. Brite Lite Promotions, C-Rock, Madden, Joe, Mikey, Earth Ruler Sound, give thanks.
Bow.
Respect.
Bless up,
Bow.